This video will be divided into two parts, health goals and work goals. All the blood tests that you need to do to ensure that you are healthy from within. And if you are a female, you anyway have the advantage of being in sync with your cycle. I've been able to make every day of mine more productive. I've been regular with my workouts. July has already started. That means we are in the second half of 2024. And if you made some health goals, some work resolutions, and you haven't started working on them, or you have started working on them but you have not accomplished 50% of them, which should be the case by now, then in this video I am going to give you 10 ways to achieve all of your goals in 2024 and transform your body and your life in the next 6 months. This video will be divided into two parts, health goals and work goals, and I will also be sharing with you how exactly I am working on my personal goals for 2024. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the health goals that we need to achieve in 2024 and how exactly you can get closer to your goals. And when it comes to health goals, I do understand that there can be a lot of people who have medical issues. There can be a lot of females who have PCOD, hypothyroidism, and you're trying to overcome those issues. But let's first talk about the things that each one of us can do for a better health, whether you have a medical issue or not. The first habit that you can start working on from today itself is the hydration level that you're giving to your body. I know a lot of you are not even having half a liter of water every single day, and that's the reason why this point is so crucial. And the real reason that I have found why people do not drink water is because they are too busy. And it makes sense also, because once you're working, it can be really hard. It can be like a mental block of कौन बॉटल उठाए, कौन खोले, कौन बंद. Nobody does that. So the easiest thing that you can do to have enough water is to keep a bottle on your table which opens with one hand. Having an easy to open bottle will make it easy for you to have water, and also to make sure that you're having enough electrolytes, you can add a little bit of salt and lemon into the water. And on top of that, once this bottle gets finished, I know you are going to be too lazy to get up and fill it up again.
प्यारी समझ गई.
That's the reason why I want you to have supplementary bottles, so that if in case you finish this one and you're thirsty, you do not delay your thirst signal. The second habit that you can work on, regardless of whether you have a medical issue to overcome or you want to just get healthier, is to fix your sleep cycle. I talk about sleep in all of my videos and the science of it too, because it is just so important. And I do not understand what is the need for a human being to be awake at night for fun or work or whatever, because you can be way more productive if you're sleeping in sync with the sun cycle. But yes, I do understand that if you want to wake up early in the morning to do your stuff, you will have to prepare a night before. And in fact, if I talk about myself personally, I finish my work at around 6:30 p.m. and since I'm working from home, I do not have to travel. I start winding down my day at around 7:30. I agree that you might be someone who is traveling for work, so if you are coming home by 8:30, try to start winding down immediately after your dinner, so that you have the time to calm your brain down, and then only you'll be able to be more efficient in the morning, because you must have slept well. Plus, we are trying to achieve the yearly goals in the next 6 months, and that's the reason why you have to be a little more disciplined with your approach, and that's the reason why you need to give your body the rest that it requires, which you haven't been providing to it. The third step to transform your body in the next 6 months is to stop eating junk and having alcohol. Yes, you might be somebody who is having junk on a very regular basis, and it can be hard for you, but this is how I approach the junk and alcohol. You know, and I know that junk and alcohol harms our body, and I have enough respect for my body that I am not going to give it anything that it does not deserve. And junk and alcohol is not the things that our body deserves. So yes, the idea of self-respect does not only apply to our emotions but also to our body and the way we treat our body. Start taking a lot of pride in taking care of your body, because usually what we hear is,
ओ आज गाड़ी तेरा भाई चलाएगा 2 बॉटल पी के भी.
मैंने तो पूरी रात काम किया और फिर भी मैंने अगले दिन काम किया.
The reason why I feel that statements like these are obnoxious, because you are glorifying your bad habits which you know are going to harm you. Why would you do that? Step number 4 to transform your body in the next 6 months of 2024 is to start exercising. Yes, I do understand that you are very busy, but if you cannot take out a little time for yourself, for your body, how do you expect your body to work with you, support you in all the things that you're trying to achieve? And when I say workout, I do not mean that you need to slog in the gym for 6 or 7 days. Just 3 to 4 days of workout, 40 to 60 minutes each day That's all that you require. So basically, all I'm saying is that you need to take out 180 to 200 minutes of your time every single week, which is not much. And for all the girl bosses watching my video, you need to sync your workouts with your period cycle, because every single week your hormones are different and your workout requirements are different. You do not need to do intense workouts for the entire month. And if you want to know how exactly you can use workouts to get in sync with your periods and undo your PCOD, hypothyroidism, then watch these videos, because in these videos I have spoken about how exactly you can sync your entire life, and as a result of that you will get more productivity, more efficiency, more intuition, more physical power and more mental power to achieve all of your goals in your life. And step number 5 to achieve your goals in the next 6 months is to get a detailed blood work done if you are above 25. On an everyday basis, I am coming across females who have developed medical issues, hormonal issues as a result of their lifestyle, as a result of their eating habits, and they only get to know about their problem once they have already suffered for so long because of the symptoms. All the blood tests that you need to do to ensure that you are healthy from within, I have listed down here. So here are all the blood tests that anybody can do regardless of their gender, and these are the tests that specially females should get done. Screenshot this and send this to your friends, put it on your story, on your WhatsApp story, and send it in your family group as well, so that everybody is taking care of themselves. And if in case, God forbid, if something goes wrong in your blood reports, then go the personalized route rather than copying and pasting somebody's diets and workouts. Even if there are two girls and both of them have PCOD, their nutritional requirements, their workout requirements are going to be very different based on their lifestyle, their family's choices, their likes and dislikes. So rather than copying and pasting somebody else's diet, contact a qualified nutritionist and get yourself a personalized one. Going the personalized approach will not only ensure that you are taking care of all the aspects of your life, but it will also ensure that because it is taking care of all the aspects of your life, you will be able to sustain the results that you get. And if you want me to be your nutritionist, then you can contact me on my Instagram page in my DMs, or you can book a session with me. I'm going to put the link in the description box and also in the pinned comments. Now let's talk about the things that you need to do in order to achieve your work goals in the next 6 months. The first thing that I want you to do in order to achieve your work goals, and this is something that works with me as well, is that you start doing the things that you say you would. I know it sounds ridiculously simple, but every single time you make a goal, every single time you make a to-do list and you are not doing that, you make your mind believe that you yourself are not a trustable person. If you are writing down certain things to do on the next day, then make sure that you are doing all of those things, and in case for multiple days you are not able to achieve those goals, then that means that you are trying to bite more than you can chew, which means that you are making a very long to-do list which is not achievable in one day. And when we continuously do not achieve or do the things that we plan to do, what happens is that we disregard our entire to-do list and our entire goals. Rather than that, if you make a realistic to-do list, maybe it is lesser than what you can chew, but at least you'll be accomplishing all of those things, and that sense of accomplishment is going to give you more confidence to do more every day. And if you are a female, you anyway have the advantage of being in sync with your cycle if you are, and when you do that, intuitively and effortlessly you keep smashing all of your goals. Want to know how? Watch this playlist. Next thing that has worked immensely well with me to achieve my goals is to make a vision board. And the process is pretty easy. Write down all the goals that you have and then find out a picture which resembles your goal, and then use all of those pictures as your computer screen, or you can put it in a physical vision board, because it is also proven that if you are visualizing your goals, you make it easier for yourself to achieve them because you are already living that in your brain. And the next thing that I want to talk about when it comes to achieving your work goals is that we overestimate what we can achieve in 1 year, but we underestimate the mini accomplishments we can get every single day, which compound to become that bigger goal of ourselves. In fact, because you ignore those mini achievements that you could get every day, that's the reason why we haven't achieved what we could in the last 6 months. In fact, enjoying these mini accomplishments that happen day to day is something that I am also trying to learn this year, and thanks to this book called 12-Week Year, plus me being in sync with my menstrual cycle, I have been able to make every day of mine more productive. I've been regular with my workouts, I've been regular on my YouTube channel, I've been regular on my Instagram page, and I'm also regular on LinkedIn. And the next step that you need to do to transform yourself in the next 6 months is to give yourself room to breathe. Yes, in this video, I have motivated you a lot to go after all of your dreams, but at the same time, you need to understand that if any goal makes us lose our peace of mind, then that goal is not going to be worth it. Yes, you might want to achieve something which is really big and it cannot happen in the next 6 months, but you might be able to accomplish that in a longer frame of time, along with keeping your sanity and keeping your mental health balanced. I hope this video gave you not only the motivation but also the strategy to make sure that you are achieving your goals in the next 6 months. Please let me know if I can be of any help in you achieving all of those goals. And if you like this video, share your feedback in the comment section, and also do share this video with all of your friends so that you can have a community of people who are working towards achieving their goals together. Plus, it is also proven that when you have a goal buddy, you achieve your goals faster. And on that note, I will see you next week with another video where I motivate you to go after your goals, health goals or otherwise. Bye.